Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link RE270K Wi-Fi range extender. If your router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this TP-Link RE270K setup is one of the best. Basically, the TP-Link RE270K is a Wi-Fi range extender with a built-in smart plug that helps boost your router's signal to cover weak zones in your home. It extends both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, we will unbox the TP-Link extender box. Inside the TP-Link RE270K Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and warranty information. Everything you need to start boosting your Wi-Fi is included right in the box. Now plug your RE270K into a power socket near your router for the initial setup. Wait until the power LED turns solid green. On your phone/laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Find and connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi name like TP-Link_extender or TP-Link_extender 2.4 GHz/5 GHz. No password is needed at this stage. Open a browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://teplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254. A login page will appear. Default login is admin or admin, all lowercase. Once logged in, you'll see the quick setup wizard. It will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, if available. Type the Wi-Fi password of your main router. Make sure it's the correct one, otherwise setup will fail. By default, the extender will copy your main Wi-Fi name and add _ext at the end, example, home Wi-Fi _ext. You can keep it as is or set a different Wi-Fi name for easier identification. Password will usually be the same as your main router unless you change it. Click Finish/Save. The extender will reboot and apply the settings. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. After setup, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Check the signal LED, green means good connection or orange/red means weak connection, move closer to the router. Now connect your phone, laptop, or smart TV to the new extended Wi-Fi network. Done! Your TP-Link RE270K is now manually set up and boosting your Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.